Hey everyone, Chris with Diesel Power Products, and today we have the Carli Suspension Front End Upgrade Kit. Let's talk application. This kit is going to fit from 03 to 13 on the Ram 2500 or 3500 with the Cummins or Hemi engine. The Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks are absolute powerhouses, but they do come with some steering suspension flaws up front that can surprise you with some pretty gnarly death wobble. Carli has solved the majority of these problems with this front end upgrade kit. So starting with the Carli adjustable heavy duty track bar, this thing is made out of some heavy duty chromoly steel to ensure maximum strength. Comes with an adjustable heim joint at one end and a rebuildable bearing at the other end. So this is going to allow you to recenter your axle for up to 3 inches of lift and also ensure much tighter steering up front. Next up are the last ball joints you will ever need to buy, the Carli Extreme Duty Upper and Lower Ball Joint Set. These things are absolutely overbuilt in every way. They're greasable and they also come with a lifetime warranty. Last but not least, we have Carli's low mount steering stabilizer here. It's built out of stainless steel and comes with their custom high-speed valving. This thing's going to get rid of that right tire pull and just give an overall much better feel to your steering. This kit is built by the experts at Carli to improve that steering feel and get rid of that death wobble. If you guys have any questions on this kit, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us via chats or emails. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.